ice cream didn't melt?
I think I know. Let's discover.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today our group will present the application of magnetism in our daily life, which is the refrigerator door seal. The simple device plays an important role in keeping food fresh and save electricity. The refrigerator door seal, also known as magnetic gasket, is found along the edge of the fridge door. So when the door is closed, the magnet attracts the metal body of the fridge. It creates a tight seal and prevents the cool air from going out. Without this magnetic seal, the air will leaking out and the food may spoil faster.
Magnetism is very important in this device because keep fridge door tightly sealed, maintain cold temperature, save electricity, prevent food spoilage, and reduce environmental impact. If magnetism is not present, the door will not close properly, the fridge compressor work harder, electricity usage increase, and food quality decrease. Let's see the simple experiment. Strong force, better sealing. Weak force, poor sealing. This shows how magnetic strength affects how well the fridge sealed. So, what we can say, the magnetism theory for the fridge is, first we can say, first, magnetic force. The magnetic strip produces an attractive force and pulls the door tightly to the fridge body. Second, we can say the magnet creates invisible field around it and this field interact with the metal surface. Lastly, we can say the permanent magnet. The seal uses the permanent magnet and it does not need electricity and it works continuously.
So the refrigerator seal is a simple tool that helps to preserve the food. So by keeping the food fresh, we can reduce the spoilage and unnecessary waste. This shown in Surah Al-A'raf verse 31, where Allah reminds us not to be excessive.
يا بني آدم خذوا زينتكم عند كل مسجد وكلوا واشربوا ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين.
O children of Adam, take your adornment at every masjid, and eat and drink, but be not excessive. Indeed, he likes not those who commit excess.
So by using this technology wisely, we can promote the moderation and show our gratitude. So in conclusion, the refrigerator seal is the simple device that uses physics concept, which is magnetism. By using this technology, it can help saving energy and reduce unnecessary waste.